Hi friends, happy to have you back online. In this highlighted video, 168 minus 168, which equals 0, times 168 minus 168 equals 0. Now we have this problem, 0 times 0, which equals 0. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, we must do the multiplication and division, then do adding and subtraction. So first we do this multiplication, then this subtraction, and at last this subtraction. So we have first this multiplication, 168 times 168 equals 28,224. So we have 168 minus 28,224 minus 168, and we have two subtractions. According to the order of operations, we do this subtraction, then this subtraction. So 168 minus 28,224, which equals minus 28,056. So we have minus 28,056 minus 168, which equals minus 28,224. And this is our final answer for this problem. Like, subscribe and comment if you loved this video.